Since I was a child, I have been enthralled with our national parks. I remember the first time I visited Rocky Mountains, Great Smoky Mountains, Glacier, Yellowstone, Yosemite, and so many others. Being at any of our national parks means I am in my happy place. From Lassen to Acadia, Denali to Everglades, these are our parks to enjoy and protect. This series is intended to compare various categories and thereby justify my subjective ranking of all 63 of our national parks. Hopefully this inspires you to get out there and spend time at these treasures. I have been fortunate to have been able to visit almost all of our national parks. Perhaps down the road you will come to realize what I have discovered firsthand, that we are blessed to have these brightest jewels as our neighbors, and to ignore them is only to deny ourselves of the majesty right here in our own backyard.
And on the other side is the caldera with the active volcano. This is, I think, January 29th, 2025. I was here a couple months ago and there was very little activity. You could just see some steam from the vents. But I think it's going to be quite different today. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Oh yeah, you can see it erupting. This is pretty amazing. Oh man. Oh, this is awesome. You can hear it erupting, you can smell sulfur. A lot of people here.
No, we went to sleep.
This is inside the viewing area in the volcano lodge or house or whatever they call it. I'm in the volcano house at Hawai'i Volcanoes National Park, and I just spent some time, maybe 20 minutes, viewing the eruption out there. It's so awesome. Hot lava. Soon a cruise ship's passengers will arrive and this place will be flooded with an instant 2,000 plus guests. So I'm glad I beat the crowd. How lucky am I to be here in Hawai'i Volcanoes National Park during an eruption. I was here a couple months ago and there was just steam vents venting out some steam and no lava. Yeah, and then I got here before sunrise, and you could see the lava field down there. And look at to the left of where it's erupting. There's a whole field of lava. Here at Hawai'i Volcano National Park, I'm as close to the eruption as you can get, and it's scary. I'm going to stay here about 5 more minutes, wait for the gift shop to open, try to make a quick purchase, and get some miles between me and that. Yeah. I remember Pompeii.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good morning. How are you doing, miss?
I am good.
Aren't you afraid working so close to an active volcano?
Nope.
That's good. Or crazy.
So the thing is, she never comes up and over towards us because we history already.
But isn't there a first time for everything? I don't know.
Think so.
Okay, all right.
She goes underground in lava tubes and then she
Oh.
goes out wherever she wants to.
Aha.
So back in 2018
Yes.
is our biggest one. The hole was, let me show you.
I gotta hear this.
Here.
Scare myself some more.
This is how small she was. See how big the caldera is?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah, so in 2018, the earth imploded, like all the stuff went inside to make that thing bigger. And then she went underground and popped up in a subdivision, wiped out 800 homes.
Oh no. Oh wow.
So that's what she does. She goes underground.
It goes under. Okay, yeah, it can pop up anywhere.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm even more afraid than I was earlier today. Yikes. All right, I'm getting 2 little stickers. I think I'll get the same ones. I think I'll just buy these 2 little stickers and get out of here. Trying to get away from this volcano, and she suggested that I go to a parking lot and take a 10-minute hike where I get an even closer view. So I don't know what I'm doing yet. We'll see. Here's a steam vent where down here it's like 60 some degrees, and down there it gets to 160 when you get down to the bottom of it. Here's my sweet ride, a minivan, just like my dad's. Going into a lava tube. Volcano can make a lava tube. It's an amazing walkthrough. I just did the lava tube in Hawai'i Volcano National Park. It's about a quarter-mile hike through a lava tube. You come out on the far side, you make a loop around back to your vehicle. It's a very nice hike. I'm trying to do a fake droney with my Insta360. Kind of nice being the only one on the trail. Got this trail to myself. Shot. So we'll extend this puppy all the way. Well, something like this. taking a hike, going to a point for a closer look at the eruption that's going on right now here in Hawai'i Volcano National Park. I was at the Lava House, where there's a restaurant, gift shops, a motel even, I think, and they have a big viewing area, big windows, but then outside the windows there's a area to stand with a lava made fence to stand up against and look at the flow and the eruption, and it was so incredible. It really kind of jacked this park up on my list of favorite national parks, and it just gives you goosebumps. Here's some beautiful flowers. I always take time to stop and smell the roses, or in that case, videotape whatever flower that was. I've been walking this trail about maybe 10 minutes or so. I'm almost to the viewing point for the caldera. I can hear the eruptions again. Just arrived at a black sand beach that I like, and let's check it out. This is black sand for sure. Look at, woo, black as can be. That was cool. Cool. I'm out here with my sweet ride at an entrance to Hawai'i Volcano National Park.